Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunities from 4 different companies and they are conducting walk-in interviews. So we'll see complete details in this video. So let's get started. Viewers, first Sri Krishna Pharma conducting walk-in interviews on 27th January 2021 and they are conducting interviews in different departments. Junior engineering, those who have completed your BTech, Diploma, Electrical, ECE are eligible for this position. Assistant engineering, BTech, Diploma, Electrical candidates can apply for this position. Next, assistant engineering, BTech, Mechanical, Electrical candidates are eligible for this position. Those who are interested viewers, they can attend for face-to-face interview on 27th January, interview timing 11 AM onwards in the following address. Work location is Hyderabad. So those who are interested, attend for the interview. Viewers, next, Maitri, they are conducting walk-in interview on 27th January 2021 and they are hiring trainee, assistant officer, junior executive position viewers. Those who have completed BSc, BCom, BA, Diploma, Inter, ITI, SSC are eligible for this position. Interested candidates can attend the interview by carrying your recent passport size photographs, updated resume and as well as educational certificates, Xerox copies, latest increment letters for experienced candidate, last 3 months payslip, and work location is Hyderabad and interview venue also same. So those who are interested can attend the interview viewers, and organization providing transport facility and as well as subsidized canteen food. So those who are interested viewers can attend the walk-in interview. And viewers, next, Credo company is going to hire viewers. They are hiring in different departments. First, FR&D, those who have completed M Pharmacy, D Pharmacy, intermediate are eligible for this position. Role is associate technician positions. And next, DQA department, associate position viewers, those who have completed M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy are eligible for this position. In the same way, quality control department, chemist positions are there. Those who have completed M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, MSc are eligible for this position. Next, in quality assurance department, they are hiring M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, MSc candidates. Next, AR and D department, they are hiring M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, MSc candidates for research associate position. And last, production department, they are hiring D Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy candidates for chemist, senior chemist and technician positions. Those who are interested can send their CV to following email ID. And even they mention the phone number. For further queries you can just call them, and job location is Hyderabad. So interested candidates send your mail, and only male candidates are preferred. And last is Chemveda, and they are conducting walk-in interview on 30 Jan 2021 and they are hiring in R&D department viewers for research chemist, research associate positions. Those who have completed MSc chemistry, medical, organic chemistry are eligible for this position viewers. On 30 January 10 AM to 1 PM interview is going to held, and venue is Hyderabad. Even work location is Hyderabad and interview venue also same. Interested candidates with updated CV, last 3 months pay slips, last incremental letters copies with one passport size photograph can attend the interview. So these are the details of 4 different companies and work location is Hyderabad. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of job. And thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews.